Here's the front end loader scooping up snow on our street. That's how much snow we got. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Oh, wow. There's another one behind me you can see.
Front end loader, how much snow we got.
Yeah.